I will be showing you a quick and easy way to upgrade or change your current plan. Let's get started. First, you will want to log in to your Indition Form Builder account. Once you have logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click the button that says My Account. In your account section, you will see My Products. Here you can view your current plan. If you would like to change your current plan, click the green button at the bottom that says Upgrade Now. I currently have the Bronze plan. You can choose the Silver plan, Gold plan, or Platinum plan. Once you have selected the right plan for you, go to the bottom and click the green Upgrade Now button. A pop-up window will appear that will give you a place to put your card number, the month and year of expiration, and the 3-digit CVC code on the back. Once you have inputted this information, you can press this blue Pay button and you're ready to go.